Are you a real estate investor tired of overpaying the IRS? Real estate investing can be a very powerful tool for saving. Hi, I'm Dave Horwedel, CEO of Torchlight Tax. We've created a powerful video series specifically for real estate investors, covering strategies like bonus depreciation, 1031 exchanges, cost segregation, and more. These are tools smart investors use to reduce taxes, protect their assets, and build long-term wealth. You can watch the full playlist straight through, or just pick the individual topics that matter most to you, like rental property deductions, home sale strategies, or how to use your home for business tax savings. You'll find all the video links listed in the description below. And if you want personalized advice tailored to your investments, contact Torchlight Tax at 877-758-7797 or email info@torchlighttax.com. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more real estate tax strategies.